Hi guys, welcome back to Home Life, and today I'm going to be reorganizing our refrigerator, and I'm going to do it with you. So let's get started.
Welcome to my home life. Look around, you can see my whole life. Welcome to my home life. All I need is what I got right here. Home life.
Okay, so just to start, I got this organizing kit on Amazon, and it has really good quality, very strong, and it comes with 5 big bins like this and an egg bin. So we're gonna start this cleanup now. All right, I am gonna show you guys a disastrous mess, so don't mind it. I have not cleaned this out in over a month, so it is definitely due for a nice cleanup and revamp. And we're gonna get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off by just taking everything out of the refrigerator, cleaning it down, and then start the organizing.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams.
But I guess it's always good to have some help with you.
Where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold since you have been gone.
Okay, so now we got everything cleaned out. And what I'm gonna do is just kind of organize all of this here and see, there's some things that are bad, obviously, but I just wanna go through everything. And you can see in here, it is pretty dirty. So I'm gonna start detailing all of this first.
Like I was told, you're the only one. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the clouds.
Okay, and this drawer is really gross here. So just wanted to show you guys, you know, how gross a refrigerator can really get. So I'm gonna work on detailing that right now.
The skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. I wanna stay with you. I wanna stay with you. Baby shampoo, and come and save me. I've been missing Lady Luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up to it.
Then I would just take these and I'll take them to the sink and clean them.
I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever some extra gravy. I've been staying up for hours just staring at the
So right now I'm just gonna fill up the door because it seems to be the easiest right now.
ceiling. Now she's starting to stare back, but I guess ducks can be deceiving. And the spaces we call love won't have to fade away. But till you ever wake up feeling like we're living day to day, we should buy some golden handcuffs and throw away the K and mark ourselves right into cages in the prison of belief. 'Cause baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else but you. The truth is running away. Started out as funny, now the bees looking for honey, and I don't know what I should say. People ask us what we're doing, but it's all kind of confusing. It's like waiting for something great. And finally when you got it, wasn't everything you wanted. So you sit and grin and bear, it's not the worst thing that has happened. So you still okay. Baby, something.
This is just a box of like all of our condiments and everything, from ketchups to mustard to mayonnaise, just
Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else but you.
okay. So, as you can see, everything organized. And I definitely have a lot more space to go shopping. Everything is nice and clean. And this is the kids' shelf here.
Now she's starting to stare back, but I guess ducks can be deceiving. And the spaces we call love won't have a face.
So this is after grocery shopping.
But till you ever wake up feeling like we're living day to day, we should buy some golden handcuffs and throw away the K and mark ourselves right into cages in the prison of belief. 'Cause baby, it's you.
I did wash all the fruits and put them in these really nice glass containers.
Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else but you. The truth is running away. Started out as funny, now the bees looking for honey, and I don't.
Well, thank you guys for organizing with me, and I hope I inspired you to go and organize your refrigerator as well. I'm going to be coming up with a lot more videos like this, just organizing your house and keeping a nice, healthy, clean environment around you. So please, if you like this video, please like and hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you're looking for. Let me know if you're interested in more cleaning videos or daily routines. Thank you guys so much for watching Home Life, and we'll see you soon.
So you still